Hey friends, this is Natif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bonfida. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this long-term down channel on the weekly time frame, and I also want to show you the target of this down channel, how Bonfida can reach up to $10 after breaking out this channel. And we will also watch this resistance of the triangle as well. Right now, you can see that Bonfida has just broken out the resistance and it is testing the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me share my recent trade setup that I shared with my members at the Patreon of Bonfida on 16th of July, when Bonfida completed a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move. And this was, by the way, the trade setup that I shared on 16th of July, a few days back, almost 5 days ago. And you can see it was just entered the buying zone. Even we were at the very end of the potential reversal zone or buying zone of this Gartley move. And you can see that when I shared this idea, it was moving at 1870. By the way, this was with the Bitcoin pair, and therefore I'm telling you the values in Bitcoin. That was 0.0001870 Bitcoins. And after playing this chart, we can see that it was a really very big pump, and it rallied up to here at 0.0004850. You can watch the value here, 0.0004850 Bitcoins. That was more than 150% pump, and right now the price line is moving here above this sell zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley. Now, if we take a look at this long-term down channel here on the weekly time frame, by the way, now we are watching with the US dollar pair, then you can see Bonfida is not able to break out this resistance since after November 2021. And if we want to watch any big bullish reversal move or bullish continuation move from here, then we need to break out this resistance of the channel. And you can see that we also have few touch points here at the support, but we have touch points at the resistance more than the support. So if it is testing resistance more than the support, then there is a high probability that soon it will break out the resistance of the channel. And at the same time, if we switch to the very small time on this hourly time frame chart, because this triangle is very important right now, even though this is only on the hourly time frame, but you can see that we have reached this resistance of the channel. Therefore, breaking out this triangle even on the smaller time frame can be very important for Bonfida. And right now you can see that we are likely to we are testing this support and likely to have a bounce from here. And if we take a look at the target for this triangle, then after the breakout, let me place this trend line here at the breakout point. Our target was here at 57.5 cents. So far it has rallied up to 56.5 cents, and now it is testing the resistance as a support. So I am expecting that soon it can reach this target. And if we take a look at this resistance of the channel, right now we are already moving at the resistance of the channel. Therefore, after breaking out, if we will have another move to the upside, and if this move will be continued, then there will be a very high probability that now we are going to break out this resistance of the channel. Now let's take a look at the target for this down channel that is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.